Hey, Matt here with 911R on Brain Trailer Avant-Garde. We have the 73 Alfa GTV 2000 that's ending up right now. And so thought we'd do this like quick little walk around and talk about it. This car is very unique, light beige metallic. That's the factory color. The car has been mostly resprayed from new, but it is the factory original color, and we've gone through and verified all that. There is also a letter from Alfa Historical talking about the color and the engines and engine numbers and everything. So it's pretty neat in that fact. I've never seen another one this color. I've also restored a couple of these cars over the years, and GTVs are definitely have a big soft spot in my heart. They handle amazing. They're light. They're just a quintessential Italian sports car, and I think they're totally underrated, and it's definitely a car that's always going to be on the rise. Just the styling, the interior, the ergonomics, just super fun, and they're a really great car if you're getting into a car that's a classic, that's not too much money. They're easy to maintain. There's lots of knowledge out there, and to find a good one is really the key. These cars are really known that they rust. I like this car. This car's been really well stored, taken care of, and it's not rusty anywhere. We can't find any rust on this car. If you look at the car, especially the underside photos, you can really tell this car is as dry as it can be. It's real important to look at the underside, the pinch welds on the frame, inner side of the wheel wells, front and back. That's where these cars rust, and this car doesn't have the ones. Somebody just asked us to pull the door sills. We pulled those up, and they were completely rust-free. Only thing was the little screw heads had broke off because they were old Italian screws. These cars have very unique door handles when you open them up, and these ones open and close really good. These cars also, it's real important that the doors open and close nicely on them. The door gaps are good. A lot of times when they get restored, they get all screwed up, and to get these door gaps and have them open and close is very difficult in these cars. This car's had new seat covers put on it. It does have a dash cap on it. These dash caps typically not something I really like on a car, but these fit nice. It looks good, and a lot of times people wouldn't even know that it has a dash cap. Cylinder console wood is in good condition. The radio plate is in there. It has the cool personal steering wheel that came with these factory, the wood steering wheel. The seats, I really like the headrest, the wood where they raise up and down. It's pretty cool how this works. It's a neat little Alfa trait. Let's open up the hood. You can see this has a Spica mechanical fuel injection, which is how these cars came, and this one works really good. It carburetes nice. You can see from the driving video, the car rips right along. All the fluids have been changed in it. It's got a new battery in it. We put a new valve cover gasket on it because it was leaking, and I painted the valve cover because I think they look cool red. It's kind of the Italian thing. Very simple thing to do if you don't like it, to change. The mini light wheels on it with sticky Falcon tires. Just kind of walking around the car. The bumpers and everything, the grill, the yellow driving lights. Just has all the quintessential Italian features and style. The brakes on these cars are really good. The parts are the same as 911s, early 911s. They're ATE calipers, front and rear. Lots of mods you can do these cars. This one, the underside is very, very stock, but they're a great starting part. Great car for going out and doing rallies or doing anything else. Any questions, hit the contact seller button. We'll help you out. We can help you with shipping. Any questions on the car, or if you're interested in having a 911R represent a car for you, let us know as well. Thank you.